Alright, what's up everyone? So we just got a shipment of 2 boxes from the UPS man. Pretty sure these are my heads from Jordan at Modular Head Shop. So we're going to go ahead and get these boxes open. The kids are going to help me like always. And we're going to look at them and talk a little bit about them. I'm pretty excited about these things, man. They've been gone for what seems like forever. Whoa. These things are packaged pretty good. Look at that.
Oh God, there's packing peanuts.
Oh, they got packing peanuts in here. Oh, for you guys that don't remember, we got the one head back in, I think it was like October or November. And I was looking for different options for getting stuff done to these heads, because if you get these heads out of the box from trickflow, they're really not set up for the kind of horsepower and abuse that I was planning to put them through. So we really need to go to like some upgraded valves and some, I was looking for a solution to put some better valves in these, and the valve job that comes on like an out of the box head isn't really that good either. So there's just a lot of performance to be had in doing these heads right whenever you get them. But man, these things look freaking awesome, man. These things are sick. Let's get this plastic open. Like I said, Jordan did a heck of a job shipping these things, making sure they didn't get hurt on the way. Look at that. Guys, these things are freaking sick. I love the CNC work that's done on these heads from they come like this from trickflow. And for those of you that didn't see the video when I first got these heads, these are the 44cc trickflow 185s for the 4.62 valve. But so the exhaust valves, the intake and the exhaust are custom Manly stainless steel. Well, the intake is a Manly stainless steel, and then the exhaust valve is a custom Manly Inconel exhaust valve. And Inconel holds up a lot better to heat than like a standard stainless steel. And then moving on to the front of the head right here, at the top of the head, you can see. So these valves are, the locks on these valves are not like the triple groove stock locks that come on these heads. They are like, and you can't see it in the video, but they are Manly bead lock single groove lock, which is a lot stronger. The valve springs are PAC RPM series valve springs. I don't know the part number exactly off the top of my head, but they're set up to handle the RPM and boost that we're gonna throw at this thing. Man, these trickflow heads are really nice too, because they come with replaceable cam towers. And then you can see the ass cast intake ports on here. Man, these things are awesome. Let's go ahead and get the second one out of the box right here. You okay over there? Boom, this is the new head right here. It's still got the sticker on it. So I bought this head from my good friend Nathan Clark, and it was just a bare head from Summit. And then this is the new one that Jordan picked up for me.
I'm trying to put these in there.
But pretty much the same deal here, you know. Both heads are exactly the same. But man, these things look amazing. Those valves are freaking huge on the intake valve. Yeah, these things are really nice. So we already got the cams in a couple weeks ago. And I'm not going to show those on video just because the cam specs are somewhat classified. I don't think Todd would want me giving out all of his secrets, but we do have the cams for these. The only thing we're waiting on now is the block. It's right here. Do not remove. Got the 44 on there for the 44cc chamber. Man, these things are awesome. Jordan did a heck of a job on these things.
Stop breaking.
So, alright guys, heads are here. Next step is the block. And so the next step is the block, and we'll be able to assemble this thing. So you guys stay tuned, and I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, hey guys, before I end the video, so the mail lady just came by and dropped off some mail, and I noticed that that it was from Tad Mason. So Tad hit me up in the comments on one of my last videos and asked for my address because I haven't been able to find the magazine that my car got featured in when I won Mod Nats. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see if we can find my car in here. Yeah guys, so I haven't been able to find this magazine anywhere in stores around here. I don't know if I'm just not looking in the right place or what. So I guess this magazine was supposed to cover the Mod Nats race. So let's see if we can find what page Mod Nats was on in here. Boom, so we found the Mod Nats page, and I think there's a spot, little spot in here for my car. So you guys recognize Yandro's car, twin turbo Minion right here. He won the stick shift the driver mod class, I think. And then boom, there we are right here, guys. Man, this thing's going up on the shelf up here for sure. Here we are, number 13 in the Battle of the Underdogs, a 2-valve versus 3-valve class. Andrew Lavender was the last man standing with his 2003 Mustang GT. Under the hood is a garage-built 2-valve with PI heads, custom top Warren cams, and a single Borg Warner 76mm turbocharger. Lavender uses a Holley EFI system, a turbo 400 transmission, and Mickey Thompson ET Drag Radial Pro 275. This combination is good for 850s and a Battle of the Underdogs win at the 2018 Mod Nationals. Man, that's so cool. Tad, thanks again, brother. This thing is definitely going up on the up here. It's probably the only magazine I'll ever get featured in, so I gotta hold on to it. So once again, appreciate it, brother. That's all I got for today, guys. We'll talk to y'all later.